Ladies and gentlemen, can we have Mr. Swapnil Dalvi from QVI India?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon everyone. So I won't take much time, and my agenda here is to introduce our company, which is QVI India, is a 100% subsidiary of Quality Vision International USA, and OGP is one of the brand in measurement systems. So the QVI is 100%. QVI India is 100% subsidiary of Quality Vision International, as I said, and we are the world largest vision metrology company. And this is the aerial view of our factory, and our factory is located in Rochester, New York. Company founded in 1945. It's a privately owned company, and we are serving a broad range of industries: aerospace, automotive, medical, optics, photonics, machining, molding. So each and every segment, including general engineering application, we caters our machines. We have almost 500 employees worldwide and tech centers in 10 countries. In India, we have a tech center in Bangalore, and it's ISO certified company, and almost 80,000 systems have been installed in 78 countries. So here you can see the company history. So as I mentioned that we have introduced first profile projector back in 1945, and consistently we develop and with the research and development the profile projectors, and in 2000 we have debuted our smart scope video measurement systems. So here is the history of optical innovation. So in 1945 we have introduced first profile projectors, and we consistently develop the machines. And I proudly say that we are the pioneers in video measurement systems, where in 1995 we have launched our VMM on DOS operating systems. So in 2025 we have the multi-sensor video measurement systems and CMMs as well. So we have almost 85 different models in video measurement systems, starting from profile projectors, manual video measurement systems, large bed video measurement systems, multi-sensor video measurement systems, 3D scanners, sharp measurement systems, and CMMs. So in profile projectors, we have two models. One is the benchtop and one is the floor models. So the beauty of the system is we have used our OGP's patented telecentric optical systems. It has LED illuminations, and it's available with the 14-inch, 20-inch, and 30 inches of field of view. Next product what we have is the C-Vision, which is the best of both worlds, which is a combination of video measurement systems and the profile projectors. It has a 4 inches of field of view and 6 inches of depth of focus. It also has digital CAD overlay, where we can import a CAD file and we can generate the steps. Third one, we have the snap machines, which is the shop floor machines. It required a minimal operator interaction. Simply we have to keep a part on a glass, and machine will automatically extract the features on the parts and gives the results. So it's a shop floor machine, ideal for 2D measuring or 2D parts. Again, it's complies with the full GD&T compliances. And OGP's bread and butter product, I would say, is the smart scope, which is accepted globally from the industry leader, with the Smart Scope series. So I'll introduce here the Smart Scope M series with the video. So I'll just run a video of the Smart Scope series.
Ease. Speed. Reliability. Introducing OGP Smart Scope M Series multi-sensor metrology systems, powered by Zone-3 metrology software. Achieving precise and repeatable measurement accuracy in a high-volume production environment doesn't need to be challenging. Trust Smart Scope M Series to achieve accurate and repeatable results with full 3D capabilities that measure even the most nuanced details, all in one intuitive, easy-to-use system. Enhance your throughput instantly by quickly pivoting from the fully telecentric optical system to tactile, non-contact, and laser sensors on just one machine. Measure faster and more at once, and simplify complex routines by centralizing your programming and rapidly measuring with automatic magnification, consistent lighting, and simultaneous validation. Get scalable technology that adds flexibility to meet today and tomorrow's needs with SmartScope M Series. The convenience of a CAD-based multi-sensor system featuring the latest in optical technologies empowers you to run inspections rapidly, address multiple application requirements, fast-track measurement routines, and quickly adapt your system to future business needs. Free your operators to accomplish more through faster evaluation, analysis, and collaboration. With intuitive Zone 3 software, your teams get the ease and flexibility they need and the repeatability they require to measure every component quickly and with greater precision. Lower your operational costs by having one machine do the work of multiple. With one multi-sensor system, you'll not only save on training, but you'll also decrease downtime, simplify maintenance, address multiple use cases, and so much more. Are you ready to measure fast and manufacture faster? Contact us to see what SmartScope M Series can do for you today.
Yeah, so that is for the SmartScope series, and we have multiple product range in terms of the sizes in M series. So it has the intelli-centric M optical systems, and it is a fully 3D multi-sensor capable machines. It has 4 models as of now: M7, M20, M45, and M50. It defines in the measuring inspection bed size. So M7 has a 250 by 150 by 200 mm bed size, and the floor machines M50 having a 450 by 600 by 200 mm bed size. So it has a multiple sensor options like grid projector, touch probe, TP20 and TP200 modules, plus with the low force and standard force. Scanning probe, we do have a feather probe which is patented by OGP. We have a TTL laser which comes from through the lens, and we do have a DRS laser which is a digital range sensor. Apart from this, we do have a rainbow probe and telestar probe. So these are we are suggesting based on the applications. So we are using our Zone 3 3D software with the machines, which is a fully 3D software. We can import a CAD file, IGS step file. We can, with the help of these files, we can create the steps and we can run the program. So the inspection report is fully customized. It has the graphical view, tolerance view, and we can customize everything as per the customer's need. So why OGP? Because the OGP has a vertically integrated manufacturing facility. We have our own optics and fabrication shop. We have lace assembly shops. We do electronics build in-house. We do machining. We do assembly, final inspection. We do have our own optics shop, as I said. We have our own electronic shop. We have our own calibration lab where each and every machine is calibrated and shipped to across globe. We have multiple accreditations and ISO certifications. We have a large patent portfolio on the name of OGP, and we have a global sales support offices. In India, we are based in Pune and Bangalore with the tech centers, and apart from that, we do have the residential engineers. So the OGP machines have been adopted by the industry leader from the automotive, aerospace, electricals and electronics, general engineering applications. So each and every segments, the industry leaders are using OGP machines. So yeah, that's it from OGP, and we are kept our stall in the lobby. I would request everyone to have and visit our stall and discuss our applications. Thank you.
Thanks, Swapnil. Can we invite Mr. Ganesh Kakanitkar to honor Mr. Swapnil?